Welcome back to Cheap Horsepower, and, hey dude, what you doing? You looking at some dirty carburetors? Yeah? Uh-huh, sure am. What's that? Oh, you got yourself a little fuzzy hair there. Oh, yes you do. Oh, why is that? Oh, look! Some brake cable. Oh, it's one of those little hairs from that? Oh, yeah? Oh, yes it is. Oh, it's so cool, dude. You know why you need one of these guys? Oh, it's because these carbs are old. Somebody left you out, you son of a mother. That's okay, breathe. You're gonna need to breathe when you use this little guy because you need to thread it in that little hole that's right there. Oh, look. It went all the way through. It's nice and clean. Wait, there's 4 more. Oh, that's right. And oh, wait. There's one over there. That one's pretty clean. Then there's that one. This is my life for hours until that works again, that works again. That one's pretty clean. That works again. You know what's funny? This is the cleanest one out of all of them. And this is the one I had to replace this thing with. Carburetors. Dude, carburetors will test your patience more than anything that I have personally found. But it's extremely rewarding when it functions like new after you put the work in. That's what I'm doing right now. See you in the next one.